The past week has been a whirlwind of geopolitical activity, technological advancements, and economic developments. From the bustling halls of trade summits to the tense borders of rival nations, the world watched as events unfolded with the potential to reshape the global landscape. The United States and the United Kingdom forged a new trade alliance, breathing life into markets and signaling a potential shift in global trade dynamics. Meanwhile, on the Eastern Front, President Xi Jinping's visit to Moscow underscored the deepening ties between China and Russia, raising questions about the future of global power. Adding to the complexity of the global stage, tensions flared between India and Pakistan, while the ongoing conflict in Ukraine continued to cast a shadow over peace prospects. Amidst this backdrop of geopolitical uncertainty, technological innovation continued its relentless march, with China taking center stage at the 27th China-Beijing International High-Tech Expo. This confluence of events, each with its own unique implications, underscores the interconnected nature of today's world, where economic tremors in one region can reverberate across continents and diplomatic overtures can send ripples through global markets. Global markets received a much-needed boost this week with the announcement of a comprehensive trade agreement between the United States and the United Kingdom. The deal, hailed by both sides as a return to economic cooperation, is expected to lower tariffs on a wide range of goods, potentially stimulating trade and boosting economic growth. This development comes as a welcome respite for markets still grappling with the uncertainties of a post-pandemic world. Adding to the sense of optimism was the 27th China-Beijing International High-Tech Expo, a showcase of cutting-edge technology and innovation. The event, featuring advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and biotechnology, highlighted China's growing prowess in the global tech arena. Of particular note was the Beyond Expo 2025 AI Summit, which underscored Asia's burgeoning role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. These developments, coupled with the US-UK trade deal, paint a picture of cautious optimism for the global economy, driven by technological progress and renewed international cooperation. President Xi Jinping's state visit to Russia for Victory Day celebrations was more than just a symbolic gesture of solidarity. The visit, marked by warm welcomes and pledges of deeper cooperation, underscored the growing strategic alignment between the two Eurasian powers. With both countries facing increasing pressure from the West, the optics of unity and the substance of their discussions have sent a clear message to the world. A new axis of power may be emerging. The timing of the visit, coinciding with heightened tensions between Russia and the West over the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, further amplifies its significance. While details of the discussions remain closely guarded, analysts suggest that energy deals, military cooperation, and joint infrastructure projects were high on the agenda. The visit has undoubtedly shifted the geopolitical calculus, raising concerns among Western powers about the implications of a closer Sino-Russian partnership. While the world watched the unfolding events in Moscow and Beijing, a dangerous situation was brewing in South Asia. Tensions between India and Pakistan escalated sharply following India's Operation Sindoor, a military operation targeting what India claimed were terrorist infrastructure within Pakistan's borders. Pakistan retaliated by downing Indian drones and vowing a robust response, raising fears of a wider conflict between the nuclear-armed neighbors. The international community has urged both sides to exercise restraint and engage in dialogue to de-escalate the situation. However, the path to peace remains fraught with challenges, given the long history of mistrust and animosity between the two nations. The situation in South Asia serves as a stark reminder that even as the world grapples with global challenges like pandemics and climate change, regional conflicts continue to pose serious threats to peace and stability. The coming weeks will be crucial in determining whether diplomacy can prevail, or whether the world will witness yet another cycle of violence and instability.